Hello, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. Welcome to my channel. So, in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for 18th March 2021. So, this analysis is for 18th March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 19th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that right now market is in beautiful uptrend. Yes, the uptrend is still on. And the market is right now trading at 109.08. Okay, so the uptrend is still on. Okay, so as I always say, trading on a trending market is easier in comparison to other markets. And when market is in uptrend, so we just need to find the area of value. Okay, and then just be on the trade. Okay, and in uptrend market the area of value is always near the support. Okay, and in this case the support is this 50 moving average, and you can see that right now market is just trading at the 50 moving average. Okay, market is just trading at a 50 moving in a very lucrative position market right now. Okay, and if you look at the stochastic RSI, you can see that stochastic RSI has just moved from the oversold zone. Okay, so overall the things are very lucrative right now for USD JPY. So if you have got a small risk appetite, okay, yes, this is the perfect position to execute the order, because in a market like this, in an uptrend market, uh, executing the order on the area of value is very essential, and you'll always be making money in the long run. Okay, but still I have told one thing here. Okay, I have told that if you have got risk appetite, okay, if you have got a small risk appetite, I am focusing on the word risk appetite because, okay, because of this green line. Okay, so let me come to the green line later. Okay, first you can see that, see, if you have got a risk appetite, okay, then you can easily go for a buy order here. Okay, go for buy order here and be on the trade as long as the market is trading above the 50 moving average. Simple strategy, simple simple trading strategy for any market that is an uptrend. Okay, buy above the support, and right now market is just above the support, so you can buy. Okay, so you can buy if you've got a small appetite, risk appetite, because you can see that mark I have uh, I have been focusing on about risk appetite, because you can see that there is a resistance also. Okay, there is a resistance also, that is that resistance at 109.36, and market is unable to break the resistance. Okay, that's why I told that if you have got a risk appetite, and if you are looking for a very safe entry in the market, okay, then you can just buy above this resistance. Okay, see, actually market, just try to understand the market psychology. Okay, understanding the market psychology is the important thing for success in any market. Just try to understand market is being uptrend, market has been running a lot. Okay, so market may take rest for some time. Okay, in that case, and you can see that market, though market is still trading above the 50 moving average, but there is not much trend here. Okay, market was in uptrend. Okay, but if we consider this portion, okay, if we consider this portion, we can see that there is no trend in the market. Is not it? There is no trend in the market. Okay, market is in sideways. So as a result, I have told that if you have got risk appetite, otherwise the best entry for this market will be above this point, because if market crosses this green line 109.36 level, then it will be clear to us that yes, the uptrend is still on, the market is about to go up again. Okay, so in that case, if you are looking for a safest entry possible in US dollar Japanese yen, then wait for the market to cross this line. If market crosses this line, then wait for 1 or 2 hours and just see how the price is doing. If you see that price is trading comfortably above the 109.36 level for 1 or 2 hours, then you can easily execute the buy order here. In case market fails to break this line, then just wait for the market. Just wait and watch. And if you want to take a small risk, then you can enter right now, because the market is still respecting the support of 50 moving average. Okay. So these are the two strategies. First is you can take a risk by entering here, and the second strategy is enter above this line for the safest entry possible. Okay, so this is the simple analysis for US dollar Japanese yen from my side. And hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much, good luck, see you tomorrow, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.